Hello everyone, myself Ishita Sharma, and in this video we are going to talk about blood platelets. So this is a part of chapter circulation. So let's just discuss what are blood platelets. So let's just first discuss what are platelets. So blood platelets are small sized blood corpuscles that have a diameter of about 2 to 4 micrometer. Blood platelets helps in the coagulation of blood and prevent blood loss. So these blood platelets are found only in the mammalian blood. So you will think, what about other vertebrates? Where are blood platelets in them? How they control their blood loss? So we will discuss about this further in this video. So if we talk about platelets, these are colorless oval-shaped discoidal fragments that are formed from giant cells called megakaryocytes of the red bone marrow. We can see megakaryocytes over here in this image. These are the megakaryocytes that are found in the red bone marrow part of the bone marrow here. So there was a question that where are blood platelets in other vertebrates except mammals? So in other vertebrates other than mammals, there is present thrombocytes, which are called spindle cells, which are spindle shaped and that consist of nucleus, and these are found in the blood of vertebrates other than mammals, right? So these are also formed in the red bone marrow part of the bone marrow, as we can see over in this image. And their nucleus is oval shaped, and they do not contain a nucleolus. So these helps in blood clotting and in other vertebrates. As we can see in this image, there is a nucleus, right? So this is the blood smear of a bird, right? So which is not a mammal, but they contain thrombocytes, not platelets. Let's just move back to blood platelets and their number. So there are about 30,000 platelets that are formed inside the microliter of a blood each day. 30,000 platelets, and these are non-nucleated. So these blood platelets doesn't contain nucleus. They have a mass of basophilic granules at the center, which gives the appearance of a nucleus. As we can see over here in the blood smear of it is a slide of a platelet. So they have in center a dot, which is none other than basophilic granules. So as we discussed about basophilic granules, there are three types of basophilic granules. So these are alpha granules and dense granules and glycogen granules. So if we talk about alpha granules, in this picture we can see alpha granules over here, right here. So these release fibronectin. They also release the platelet growth factor and also a hormone called thromboplastin, which is responsible for the hemostasis or the coagulation of the blood. Next one is dense granules. As we can see over here in this image, these release the ATP and serotonin hormone. And the third one is glycogen granules, which secretes glycogen. If we talk about their number varies from 2.5 to 3.5 into 10 raised to power 5 per cubic milliliter of the blood. So there are some conditions and terms that we use in the number platelet count. So this includes thrombocytopenia and thrombocytosis. So if we talk about thrombocytopenia, so if there is decrease in number of platelets, then it is known as thrombocytopenia. So what is the number of thrombocytopenia? If the platelet count decrease below 100,000 microliter of the blood, then thrombocytopenia occurs. And if the platelet count falls below the 40,000 microliter of blood, then hemorrhagic conditions will take place, because there will be low platelet count and less blood coagulation, and this is known as critical count of platelets. And if we talk about thrombocytosis, it is increase in the number of platelets in the blood. So this is the thrombocytopenia, and this is the normal blood platelet count, and this is the platelet deficiency count, which is also known as thrombocytopenia. Now let's just discuss about the lifespan of platelets. So lifespan of platelets is about 7 to 12 days. After this, these platelets are phagocytosed, that means eaten up by the leukocyte of WBCs or WBCs of blood, and also by the phagocytes of liver and spleen. These platelets play an important role in blood coagulation or blood clotting. So let's just discuss how the platelets work. So when there is injury, the platelets number increases, which is also known as thrombocytosis. So this thrombocytosis occur with the help of an enzyme that is known as thromboplastin, which causes the coagulation of the blood and clot formation to prevent excessive bleeding, right? So also these have high adherence. These platelets have high adherence, and it helps in the formation of hemostatic plug, or the constriction of the blood vessels to uh, make it the less amount of blood release from the blood vessels, right? And these platelets also secrete serotonin and non-adrenaline, which acts as vasoconstrictors for hemostasis to reduce blood. Hemostasis is the process when there is blood clot formation. So in the next video we will discuss about hemostasis. This will be the core topic of our next video. So that was all about the blood platelets. I hope you liked the video, and you liked the way of my presentation. So in the next video we will talk about hemostasis. So uh, that was all about this. If you like this video, please don't forget to share this video as soon as possible, and also subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.